This is a sponsored video by Silviax Personalized Jewelry. Have fun watching!
What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel again. This is Marie the Explorer, and in this video I'm gonna show you these two items sponsored to me by Silviax personalized jewelry. Thank you so much, Silviax, for your generosity. This is the second time you sponsored me your product. So guys, without further ado, we will open these jewelries for you to see how beautiful it is. So I'll be going to open this one. This is a necklace with extra cleaning cloth, and that's my name, Marie. This is gold mixed with silver. As you can see, this is beautifully made. Very nice. Beautifully made. Marie. And that's my name. The design is, this one is heart, and this one is butterfly. So you can see that in their collection online if you want to have like this. This is very beautiful, and it is silver and gold. As you can see, it is sparkling. Okay, and I love it. Then the next one is this, the bigger one, which is super nice too. Bracelet, bangles with my channel name. Marie the Explorer. It is also gold with mixed with silver. So I'm going to wear this. This is expandable. If you want to make it small, then you can press it So like this, because my wrist is not so big, then look at, guys, can you see that? It is very nice because you can wear with silver, like my ring. You can wear it with gold. Very nice. So you can see, guys, this is elegant. And you can put your personalized name or whatever you want to put in there. And this necklace, so guys, here's the necklace. It has extension with a cute heart at the end, and the lacquer is also nice. Wow, this is very nice. I love it. Look, it's beautiful. It's ringing. The bell is ringing. Oh, that's the church, that's why. But I can guarantee you that you will not regret if you want to have like this kind of personalized necklace. It's awesome and you will like it too. So guys, if you want to have like this personalized jewelry, just go to the description box and you can find there the link that I will write, and you can also purchase with that discount code. So they will give you a very good discount if you want to have it. And I just want to thank you, Silviax, for giving me this very nice jewelry. I super love it. Thank you so much.
Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay?
Hope you enjoy watching and see you on my next